Hi, today we are going to talk about a very interesting problem, Smart Range 2, and its serial number is 910 on lead code. So the problem is we are given an array of integers a, and for each array for each integer ai, that is for each element of array, we can either add or subtract a given integer k, and it can only be done once for each element, and the new array so formed we call it b. Now what we have to do is return the smallest possible difference between the maximum value in b and minimum value in b. So this is a screenshot of how we are going to approach this problem. So the intuition behind this problem is that like there will be a AI which is smaller AI, and there will be a AI which is bigger one. So we are going to up the smaller AI, and we are going to down the bigger AI. Okay. So for this intuition, we have we will be sorting the given array. So in the increasing order. So like we are given a, we will be sorting the array in this order such that a1 is greater than a0, a2 is greater than a1, so on, an is greater than an minus 1. So how we are going to approach this problem? We will consider an arbitrary point p. Okay. Now the left side of p will always be will be the segment 1, and the right side will be the segment 2. Now the values in segment 1 will be less than the values in segment 2. Now if we see the left side, that is the segment 1, there are this one is the low, and this one is the highest point in segment 1, and for the segment 2, this one is the lowest point and this is the highest point. Okay, so what we are going to do is we will add plus k on the segment 1, and we will subtract minus k from the segment 2 values. Why we are adding k on the left segment is because the left segment values are lesser, so we are going to up these values, and the right segment has greater values, so we are going to down these values so that our difference is minimum. So I hope it's clear. So the answer will be the minimum of maximum of h1 and h2. This one is h1, that is the maximum of segment 1, and the h2 is this one, that is the maximum of segment 2, minus minimum of L1, that is the lowest point in segment 1, and L2 is the lowest point in segment 2. Okay, so this will be our algorithm. Sort the given array A, and high equals to find max, left segment max plus k, right segment max minus k, and find minimum, leftmost segment plus k in the second segment. This is the leftmost element in the segment 2. Sorry, the leftmost segment, leftmost element in the array, that is this. We will add k because we are going to up its value, and first element in rightmost segment, this is the first element in the rightmost segment, we will be lowering its value by k. Okay, then the final output will be this, minimum of high minus low. Okay, I hope it's clear. Let's move on to the code segment. We will sort this array, and length is this one is minus 1, length minus 1 minus a0. Now for each element, this like I equals to 0, we will consider it as a point. The point that I have mentioned in here, this is the point. Now the left part of this point will be the segment 1 and the right part will be the segment 2. Segment 1 is having lesser values, segment 2 comparatively will be having higher values. So high is math max ai plus k. So you can see it like this. This is I. Okay. So ai plus k. This one is ai plus k, which I have mentioned here, and this is the second maximum. So the maximum of both these values, the maximum of segment 1 and maximum of segment 2, and low will be the minimum of segment 1 and segment 2, and our answer will be the minimum of high minus low and the answer itself. We will return the answer. Let's see, submitting this code. I have already submitted it. Yeah, so that's all for today. I hope the concept is clear for this problem. Thank you.